Hello and welcome to the video tutorials by Be Smart Education. In this series, we will guide you through various aspects of English grammar to help you improve your language skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos and tutorials. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our English grammar series. In our last video, we learned about past participles for regular and irregular verbs. Today, we'll use that knowledge to understand the present perfect tense. Let's dive in.
The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past, or that have a certain connection to the present time. For example, I have visited Paris, and she has lived here for 5 years. It's also used for experiences. He has tried sushi. For recent actions with relevance to now, they have just finished their homework, and for changes over time, my English has improved since I started studying.
To form the present perfect tense, use have or has followed by the past participle of the verb. For regular verbs, add ed to the base form, like have walked. For irregular verbs, use the correct past participle form, like has eaten. Examples include, we have traveled to many countries, and she has written a novel.
We use the present perfect tense for actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past, for actions that have a connection to the present, and for recent actions that have relevance to the present moment. Let's explore each case in detail.
First, we use the present perfect for actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past. For example, I have visited Paris. The exact time is not mentioned because it's not important. Another example is they have seen that movie. This tense focuses on the experience rather than when it occurred.
Second, the present perfect is used for actions that have a connection to the present. For example, he has worked here since 2010. This means he started working here in the past and still works here now. Another example is she has lived in this house for 10 years. This indicates she moved in 10 years ago and still lives there.
Lastly, we use the present perfect for recent actions that have relevance to the present moment. For example, she has just finished her homework. This means she finished it very recently, and it affects the current situation. Another example is they have already eaten. This implies they ate recently, so they are not hungry now.
Common time expressions used with the present perfect tense include ever, never, already, yet, just, for, and since. For example, have you ever been to London? Uses ever, and I have just finished my meal uses just. These expressions help clarify the timing and relevance of actions.
Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct present perfect form. They visit many countries. The answer is have visited. She finish her project already. The answer is has finished. Keep practicing these forms to get more comfortable with using the present perfect tense.
The present perfect tense is essential for connecting past actions to the present. It helps you express experiences, ongoing situations, and recent actions. Mastering this tense will improve your fluency and accuracy in English. Understanding it will also help you in conversations, writing, and comprehending advanced texts.
Great job, everyone. You've now learned how to use the present perfect tense. Keep practicing to get more comfortable with it. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more advanced grammar topics. Happy learning!
Thank you for watching this video tutorial by Be Smart Education. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, mastering English grammar is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos and tutorials. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Join our Facebook page, Be Smart Education, for more resources and community support. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.